Ji Mama. This is such a difficult topic. How will I ever know how to make plastics? Idea. Let me ask the smartest man I know.
Hello?
Oh, wrong number.
Hello? Oh, Ibrahim. Yes, how are you? Oh, project. What project? PVC. Oh, you are welcome. Then it is your
Can
factory.
you tell us about how the raw materials are used and where do they come from?
Actually, in PVC pipe manufacture, the main the component is PVC polymer, which is polyvinyl chloride polymer that is in there. But in that we are mixing so many other chemicals.
But sir, can you show us that how the PVC pipes are
Let's go.
made?
Yes, come on. Factory of PVC pipes. So we start from the beginning. We start from the raw material. In raw material, we have filler, we have resin, we have stearic acid. That is for the to make it little flexible. Then there is a stabilizer which stabilizes it so it can keep its characteristics and for reusing. Then we have a titanium which can use for giving it a glow, shiny things. Then we have a UV-Tex which is given for that the tinge of color for that it makes it this thing. And DOP which makes it more smooth. Everything is made according to the requirement. And then all this resin, all this mix and filler mix that. I'll show you from. This is a mixer. There is a blade inside. You see this blade? This is a high-speed mixer. So it rotates at a very high speed. High speed why? To create temperature. Why create temperature? Because these all have different melting points. So when a temperature is reached, it will gel them like a powder. So this is the mixer. When the mixing process is done, this we open this all powder comes into this hopper. This is a cooler. This is a water cooler. It has a water jet in the hopper, and I show you the process there. Okay? I showed you the mixing process. The finished powder form, they bring it and put it into this hopper. This is the hopper. Where the gearbox which controls the speed. Okay? Then the next part is the barrel, where the screw which moves the material. And on the barrel there are heaters which heat it up because it needs certain temperature to again this powder form to melt. So when it melts, then it comes out of the die with this. With the shape is melting. These are the sensors. These are sensors. You can see this is what the sensor does. Here you see the pipe starts coming. Now you touch it. Here it is soft. Touch it. Press it, press it. Then it is soft. It is soft. You can, because it is coming hot from here. Now here immediately we start putting on it water. It's called cooling water. It will lift it and this curtain will start. This curtain will cut the pipe and automatically this will bend down and pipe down. This is the molding machine in which PPRC fittings are done. This is the hopper. Same thing, which was there, hopper in PVC, this is the same hopper. Here we put the material, this is the same heating barrel in which this matter moves and there is a heat, or it melts in accordingly. From here, here we fix the mold. I'll show the mold on the other side. Mold means whatever shape you want to give it. That mold is fixed here. It will bend, it will come into a mold, it will press it, make a shape, return it, we take it out. Like we have this, like this, these are T accordingly. These are T and elbow.
Ada is the Sainik Junction.
every product, product has a different characteristic. As I told you, these pipes are used for hot water. They can sustain more pressure. Whereas PVC pipes is not for hot water. Because in hot water, it will melt down.
So as you can see guys, this is the final product. It is loaded on top of the vehicle, and from the vehicle it will be sold to the market, and from the market you will buy it.
I really like these three ones.
Ibrahim, how did you like the visit?
I like it so much.
You enjoyed it? But
Yes.
you learned anything?
I learned every very harmful for an environment.
In PVC, we use it, it's a thermoplastic material. So it means it can reuse and reshape it.
How do you recycle this?
Basically the waste that we have, this is the recycle machine. We put all the scrap into the hopper, and after that we get this scrap, little pieces of PVC that are used.
Can you run the machine and can you see it?
Let's go. This is ready to use material, but because it is a recycled material, it is never made in white color. So we add additive, color additive in it to make it in a different color.
But Chachu, the pipes are used for gardening. My plants are very soft. So are they made of rubber or plastic?
No, they're also made of PVC. Do you want to see it?
Yes.
Come on, in this mixer we put all of the raw materials to mix it and make it into a compound. That compound is used to make the pipe. First of all, we will put the resin into this mixer. Ibrahim, if you remember, this is the same resin that is used in Dada's factory. But in Dada's factory, this resin is used to make the rigid pipe. Over here, we use this resin to make the soft pipe. What is the difference, you may ask? The difference is in the formulation and what kind of raw materials we add into it. To use this resin and make it into a soft pipe, we put this chemical into it. This is the plasticizer, also known as a basic oil. This plasticizer is what makes and turns this resin into a softer and more flexible pipe. So after all that raw material is mixed thoroughly, we get it into this compound form. And as you can see, as compared to Dada's factory, this is not very dusty. So the compound we get is not dusty at all, like in Dada's factory. It is much more slippery from my hand. It's not sticking to my hands. Now we'll put this into the hopper of the extruder. This is the hopper of the extruder. We're putting all of that compound into the hopper. This is the extruder. This is compound. This is die at the head of the extruder. By changing the head and the die, we can control what size of pipe we can get from it. If we want to get a bigger pipe, we'll change this and add a bigger die and head to get a bigger size of the pipe. This is the water bath. It is throwing water onto the hot pipe because this is very hot and it is cooling down the pipe. This is the winder of that pipe. The whole pipe that comes from the extruder, over here it is winded and packed thoroughly like over there. It is packed and shipped to our customers into the market. Ibrahim, that's about it. I hope you've got a good insight about PVC and its uses. And I wish you all the best for your project. Okay, Allah Hafiz, bye-bye.
So there you have it, guys. This was the journey. This was my journey to my Chachu's and my Dada's factory where they make PVC pipes. Hope you had as much fun as I did. Bye.